I'm Matt Billock, Customer Account Specialist with McNaughton-McKay Electric Company. We're here at our Findlay location to discuss the Milwaukee PACKOUT line of equipment. Milwaukee's storage solution system, quite possibly the most versatile one on the market, totally customizable. And by customizable, I mean this stack has a large rolling toolbox, 3 regular depth organizers, and a slimline organizer. Currently, we're stocking just our organizers and toolboxes along with the 15-inch Milwaukee tote. This too interlocks right in with the system for quick get up and go. We also just brought in the extra deep organizer for some larger parts and pieces you may have. Milwaukee.com has a virtual PACKOUT design. You can build your own PACKOUT, bring those part numbers in, we can price it up for you, see what we can do for you. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come in, talk to one of our counter associates at any one of our branch locations. Also, you can check us out on mc-mc.com.